Alright, so right here we have the front left driver's side bolt that we're about to take off. It's torqued down to 80 foot-pounds, so we're going to take that off and then put the Ridgid collar kit on, so be right back. This is the passenger side at the front. We're going to bang that bad boy off. And then back here we have still the front passenger side. You have to take this plastic sheathing off. It's going to be the same shit on the other side. Find it right there. So this is plastic cover. Gonna take this off. So yeah. Alright, so you guys can see why we're putting these on, because look at all the scratching where it's been moved. So put this on.
That's the right one, yeah?
Yeah, on top of the bolt. Stick it back in. And then we're going to torque this down to 80 foot-pounds. You want to put Loctite on?
Good call. Good call.
We'll put in Loctite on just to be safe. The one that can be broken. So
blue Loctite.
Blue Loctite. Thanks, Don. The video for once. Alright, so we're just jacking it up front and back. Here's the jacking point. If anyone needs to know. You don't jack off the diff because you can bend it. So that's the jacking point. And then I'll actually attach a photo into this video for the jacking points on the Genesis Coupes. Alright, so we're taking this off, 19mm, and these two off, which are both 14mm, to put the collar on the back side of this. So we're going to take these off and then I'll show you guys what we're doing. Alright, so we're taking off the 19.
Use a breaker bar or a air gun to take it off if you have to.
Oh yeah, because it's a bitch. And then we're just going to do the two 14mm. So we'll get those done. So, got this off. We got it loose. Just because it's going to be easier that way. Plus this was a bitch. It's tight as fuck. So we're going to put the collar in here. And then put the bolt on and snug everything back down. Then do the other side. And then we still have these ones to do. If I can find it. Yeah. Still have these ones to do. So. Alright, so the spacer is going to go in here. And then cover it up. Stick the bolt in. And thread it in a little bit. I got tight awfully quick.
Missed the spacer?
No, I think it's in.
Let's see.
It just got tight quick. Spacer's in though. So this is stock, and this is why these work, because as you can see, there's a huge gap on that side and a marginal gap on that side. It's not centered at all. So we're going to put the Ridgid collars on. We'll get back to you.
I mean, take a pic of my setup here.
Yeah. I got video, bro.
Yeah, we had to make a little modification. It wouldn't fit.
Performance sucks dick. Look at how thin that is now. Alright, so that's what it looks like on the back. But now it fits, so.
Then we put the flake back on.
If you can't tell, it's cold out here. But a bit of beer, and we just ordered some pizza.
Life's good.
11 o'clock at night, life's good. should talk this shit down.
Yeah.